AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you click on the subscribe button, like the video. So hit the subscribe button, like the video, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. So once you click, you can check out the free Telegram. So you can join free Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And you can check out some brokers and prof, the link which I want to mention is this monthly membership. So in case you want maximum benefits from your Forex trading and gold trading, then you can check out the benefits if you go and join the monthly membership. Okay. So check out these things in your free time. Subscribe, like. Coming back to Aussie against dollars. So starting with the top-down approach with weekly chart. In weekly, we are taking a pullback, or maybe it could be a medium term trend reversal. Okay, so we went up last week, then this last week which had just gone by was coming down. Okay, so we are red in the recent week, then coming back to daily. In daily, it's quite visible that we are in the beginning of a medium term trend reversal, or maybe long term, time will tell. But yes, confirmation is right in front of my eyes, because you see this red candle from 7th of May. Okay, so one big red candle of 7th of May had eaten previous two blue candles. Okay, so when one red candle in daily chart eats previous two blue candles, that is a trigger point of a trend reversal in some, this is a signal, you can say. Okay, so otherwise, if one red candle eats one blue candle, that is also like going down. But one red candle eating two blue candles, surely we are going down, and we did go down this next day on 8th of May. We did go down. Okay, so I think right now we are going for a medium term trend reversals, which means we need to go and check what is happening in 4 hour. So in 4 hour, as you can clearly see, we are below the EMA. So this is our downtrend. Then we are waiting for a pullback, and after the pullback, the downtrend should prevail. Let me check the lows here. So we have 63726 and 6390. Okay, so this low did not break this previous low, but it doesn't mean that we are in the uptrend. It simply can be that it will be pullback. It will be taking pullback, and then it will break the low. Okay, so let's go back to 2 hour and see what's happening here. In 2 hour, we are surely in the downtrend. So you can see pullback, and then we are trying to go down. Okay, so for me, I would look for shorts, because again, coming back to Delhi, in Delhi, we had a huge red candle eating those two. So we are starting a new downtrend possibly, and we'll see. But for daily basis, but for now, if I would be you, I will be looking for shorts. Okay, so I'm recording the video at a different time. You're watching the video at a different time. If you want some live action, make sure you join the monthly membership. Subscribe, like, share the video with your friends who are into trading. And I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care.